In this video, we're going to show you how you can hide Adaptable. Even though obviously we're very proud of our product and we think it's wonderful, we do know that there are some users who might want to white label Adaptable as part of a bigger system, or maybe they're a development team who are provided a whole application and they don't want to kind of confuse their users by sort of having different components from different vendors. So the question we're often asked is, how easily can you hide any mention of Adaptable from your application? Because by default, Adaptable is shown in various places. So for instance, we ship with 3 tool panels. The first 2 filters and columns are AG Grid, but there is an Adaptable tool panel that gives access to all Adaptable functionality, and it's called Adaptable. Or if we go into the settings panel, we can see that there's an Adaptable version shown. We can see that there's all the Adaptable options are available. We can see that, for instance, in a managed state section, it talks about how you can export and persist Adaptable state. And in fact, in every section within the settings panel, there's a link to documentation, which opens the relevant page in our documentation for that module. So the question is, how can we hide Adaptable? And the answer is, there's properties available to essentially make each of these things which I've just shown you not appear for your users. We have a page in our documentation called Hiding Adaptable with a demo that does exactly what we've said. So there's a show documentation links in user interface options. If we set that to false, we can now see that the documentation link doesn't go. We can see that we're able to hide the Adaptable version, so that's no longer visible, and also the options, so you don't see the options. You can see that we've renamed what was Adaptable to My Grid, and you can give it any name you want, obviously. And again, we can see that because we've used entitlements in Adaptable, which is a way of permissioning, we've hidden the state management, so that's not available. And this then obviously allows you to white label your application so that it looks exactly how you want. Obviously, you can go much further. Adaptable out of the box provides 2 themes, a sort of a light theme and a dark theme, but you're able to provide your own themes and everything with CSS variables to kind of make your Adaptable instance fit in totally with the color scheme of your application. But what we've shown here is you can make the very presence of Adaptable, the kind of the name, the word Adaptable, hidden completely if that's what you require. I hope that was useful. As always, if you'd like to know more, please get in touch with us.